Hello, my name is Yuri Garcia. I'm from Brazil and I'm studying the pre-seasonal English in Coventry University at UK. In this video, I'm going to make an introduction about my my presentation about my social life in UK. I just arrived in UK 3 weeks ago. Today I'm going to talk about how was my travel to this amazing country, and as well how I'm trying to adapt it to this new culture, and how is being my class, and also my my contact with different countries, because different cultures, because here in UK we don't have just English peoples. We have a lot of cultures in the same city, and we have Chinese peoples, we have Saudi Arabia people, we have Libya people, and it's very different and kind of exciting to me to know about these different cultures and how they live in the cities, and how I can learn with him and with they, and it's it has been a great pleasure to me to be in this country and to be knowing all these different cultures. And I wish that I could have time to not just learn about them, but also to give my experience, um, about how is my life in Brazil, and how is my study in Brazil, and how and what I'm trying to be, what I'm trying to study here. And because I think it's very important, not just to be in the university to get the knowledge from the university, but also to be with your classmates, and make friendships, and try to understand another point of views. And this is important to your to your growing up. And I will be talking about this in this presentation. So thank you very much to be watching, and I will be I will not be brief, but thank you.